Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So we are back with another kinky curly wig install, but you guys, this kinky curly wig has 4C edges, and guess what? It is a 5x5 lace closure wig, 100% human hair, so we do not have to use any type of spray, no glue, nada. We're just gonna pop her on and go about our day. This wig install was super easy, definitely a 30-second wig install, at least I would consider it that, and most definitely beginner friendly. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, please continue to watch. So before we jump into the tutorial, you guys know I have to give you an unboxing. Mslynn sent so many goodies along with this hair. It is ridiculous. They sent everything, and they even sent a hot comb. Can you guys believe it? So here's the wig hair. This wig is from Mslynn, and this is their 4C Edges Kinky Curly 5x5 Lace Closure 100% human hair wig. I will most definitely be giving you guys a close-up of those edges. So it is 4C kinky edges. However, as you guys can see, it's not too bulky, it's not too overwhelming. It definitely looks natural and it definitely looks believable. And I'm so happy that this is a closure so that we can just pop her on and go. That is what the inside of the wig looks like. So you have the 3 combs, the adjustable straps at the bottom, and the adjustable elastic band for a nice glueless and secure wig install. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started. So you guys know me, of course I washed the wig off camera, and I also did bleach the knots to my preference off camera as well. However, that is completely up to you guys, just so you know. But I am giving you guys another close-up of the inside of that wig and that elastic band, as well as the hairline. This is going to be such a nice, quick and easy wig install. So the first thing you want to do is adjust that adjustable strap. I like my wigs to be nice, tight, and secure, as well as everybody does. So you're just going to adjust it to your preference. It's able to fit anybody's head. That is the beauty of this wig, particularly with that elastic band, because you can tighten it, you can loosen it. It's going to fit you no matter what. So that's something you do not have to worry about. I'm going to make sure that the wig is nice and snug as well by using the combs inside of the wig. That's completely up to you if you don't find it comfortable, but for me, it doesn't really bother me. So I do like to use the combs inside the wig also. The first thing that I will do once I'm happy with how the wig is looking is just comb those baby hairs back, because you don't want it separated from the wig overall. You want it to blend in with the rest of the hair. So now I'm just going to cut off all that additional lace that we do not need, and that's just easy peasy. Just cut right along the hairline. Don't cut any of the baby hairs, but just make sure you're getting as close to the hairline as possible. And now I'm going to add some makeup to the lace closure, because I almost forgot to do that step. Make sure you guys do this before you throw the wig on. Don't be like me. I'm always forgetting, but I'm just adding some makeup to that hairline because we want it to blend in with the rest of my skin color. So right now I'm actually peeling out a piece of my own edges, and I wanted to compare it with the edges on this wig and just show you guys that the 4C edges on this wig is definitely believable. I will be going in with a classic middle part today, but this is a 5x5 closure wig. So if you want to be a little extra, you can definitely do a nice side part, a side swoop part. With the 5x5 closure, you have enough room. But I will be sticking with a middle part, and I will be securing it and molding my lace with a wax stick and a hot comb, because you guys know me, I do not want the top of my wig looking full. I need it to look flat. That way it is more believable. Okay, both sides are officially flat. She is looking so much better, at least in my personal opinion, and those 4C edges just make it look like it's my hair. I love it, love it, love it. So now it's time to style the rest of the hair. I did one side off camera, and as far as styling this hair, you guys, it was so easy. By the way, I do have this wig in 26 inches and I believe it is 180% density. All of the wig details as well as a direct link to the one that I'm wearing in this video will be listed in the description box down below, so make sure you guys check it out, okay? So the first thing that I am doing is going in with some water. I like to dampen the hair, not drench it, but just get it wet enough so that I'm able to finger detangle, and then as I'm finger detangling, once I feel like the hair is good enough, I'm going to add some mousse to just really make those curls pop again. Okay, you guys, we are officially finished, so I'm showing you guys once more that this wig is 100% glueless and 100% sprayless. We did not use any type of product to secure this wig down. Yes, she is definitely secure. I will be shaking my head in a few just to show you guys, but I want to talk to you guys about why I would recommend this wig to any of you that is watching this video. If you are a beginner and you hate having to actually like really secure your lace down and do all the plucking and trying to make it look natural, this is a goodie for you, especially in the summertime, because a lot of us tend to rock our curly wigs in the summer. So what more could you ask for? You literally throw her on and you go about your day. You could wear her to work, you could wear her to dinner, you could wear her anywhere, okay? And it's not going to take you long to style or to install in general. So this is definitely a goodie. This is definitely something that I would consider a 30-second throw on and go type of wig, all right? Make sure you guys check out the description box down below. Everything that I used in this video, as well as all of the hair details, will be listed right there for you. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and shout out to Mslynnhair for coming up with this beautiful 5x5 4C kinky curly wig. I will see you guys next time.